Right. Spatial relativity. Here is a reference book, Spatial Relativity by French. Here is another reference book, Introduction to Spatial Relativity by Smith. We know in classical mechanics, we have Galileo's principle of relativity. Here, we introduce a new principle of relativity. Why we should introduce this new principle? First of all, we talk about electromagnetic waves in vacuum. Swirls equations in a region without charge or current read. From this equation, we get and the curl of V equals that one. So this equals this one. And from this equation, we get and the curl of E equals this one. So this equals that one. Notice that we have this identity. The divergence of E equals 0. So this one equals this one. And we have this identity. And the divergence of G also 0. So this one equals that one. From these two equations and these two equations, we get these two equations. These two equations are typical 3D wave equations with the speed of propagation c equals constant no matter what frame. This violates the Galileo's principle of relativity. You know, a train or a car moves in a constant v. The people in the car, in the train, will not feel in moving. This is what the Galileo's principle said. Electromagnetic wave is not such situation. So this causes the following consequences. One, Galileo's principle only holds to mechanics, a system of particles. It cannot be applied to the electromagnetic phenomena. In order to explain a constant speed in any initial frame, some physicists suggested in non-mechanical situations, such as fields, the principle of relativity replaced by mechanical event that say that the universe is filled with ether, that is a state of absolute rest, and the light moves with a fixed velocity relative to ether. This causes immediately a question: what is ether? And the ether seemingly is not a matter. And what is the velocity of Earth with respect to ether? 2. Galileo principle holds to both mechanics and electromagnetism, but Maxwell's equations may be different from those initial frames. But no experiment supports this idea if we don't agree 1 and 2. Then we should make a new principle of relativity to accept the velocity of light in vacuum is a constant c in any initial frame. The principle of relativity should hold in both mechanics and electromagnetism. Galileo principle should be modified. For resolving this problem, Einstein gave two postulates. One, all initial frames are equivalent with respect to all laws of physics. 2. The speed of light in vacuum has the constant value c, no matter in what initial free. We will talk about stellar evolution, the Michelson-Morley experiment, and others. The experiments measure the absolute velocity of the Earth relative to ether. Thanks for watching. Bye.